Burn these leaves in the center of your home and most of your problems disappear in 10 minutes. Before we start with this video, I would like to ask you a simple question. Did you know that bay leaves have been considered as a sacred herb by the ancient Greeks and Romans? Yes, and you should also know that many people around the world used bay leaves in the alternative medicine for centuries. And you've probably heard about this one, that the winner of the Olympiad had a laurel wreath on his head, which symbolized honor and glory. This actually points out how much laurel was important in the past, and there must be a good reason for this. Note, we usually use this herb as a spice, but the healing properties of many natural ingredients such as laurel and its berries have been well known for a long time. The most effective active compounds in this herb are pinene and cineole. We can also mention that it contains essential oils which have a soothing effect. The experts also say that laurel has psychoactive substances, which are released when you chew bay leaves. These amazing effects have been described in many different myths and legends, such as the one about the oracle at Delphi where they chew bay leaves in order to see the future. And yes, we can also mention that the essential oils in bay leaves have a soothing effect on your body and mind when you burn them. How to use bay leaves to reduce stress and anxiety: just light a single bay leaf in an ashtray and leave it to burn for 10 minutes. The room will be full of fragrances that will act relaxing and soothing to all family members. The infusions of bay leaf parts have been used to assist in the soothing of stomach ulcers as well as the relief of colic pain and ahem flatulence. They can be used as natural insect repellents and have been used in the treatment of arthritis, muscle pain, and symptoms associated with the flu. So we know why the majestic bay leaf has long been one of the most treasured herbs worldwide, even to the point of earning a spot on the head of Olympic champions in ancient Greece in the form of laurel wreaths. Bottom line, well, as we said, the amazing bay leaf has powerful anti-rheumatic, antiseptic, diuretic, sedative and antioxidant properties. It can improve your mood, and the leaves and berries of the plant can also treat hysteria, neurasthenia, and stomach flu. We really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to click the share button. Thanks again and have a good